morning, YouTube. I just woke up. It's 9:07. I honestly do not know what we're gonna do today over here. I think my mom wants to take my dog Rocky to the dog park. Yeah. We're gonna have a campfire this evening. And yeah. Sorry. Still getting over a cold. But yeah. Let's see what today brings us. Hey guys. I'm laying on my pillow pet right now. I took a nap because everything was spinning. So I took a nap. And yeah, we really haven't been doing anything today. I'm trying to get my mom to go back to Wawa. We're gonna try this ironwood grill that they have here. And we're gonna have a campfire later. And I'm gonna try to go to the pool and go and get on a golf cart ride, so fingers crossed. I hope you guys enjoyed that brief montage. I feel awful right now. Honestly, I feel like puking, which that's not always good. I think I might honestly skip swimming today entirely because of how I'm feeling right now. So I might just honestly skip today for swimming and just go tomorrow. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that montage of my dog at the dog park. He wasn't really feeling the running today, which, believe me, he loves the dog park. But yeah. Okay, guys, so we had a campfire. And then me and my granny are gonna go to the pool. I'm in my bathing suit right now. We have to wear these wristbands to the pool. We've been swimming in the family pool, so, and then I don't know what we're doing for dinner yet. I think my mom and my grandma are gonna go to like this restaurant that's on the campground. And then I think I'm gonna go for Taco Bell because I'm kind of craving Taco Bell. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But we will see. So okay, guys, so me and my grandpa is getting Taco Bell, and my mom and my grandma are getting Ironwood Grill. My ear, this one, is kind of blocked, so I can't really hear much out of it. so. And I also changed my shorts into my pajama shorts. It started pouring, so I got out of the pool. My grandma did not get in. I only got in, and I only swam for like 10 minutes, and that was it. Yeah. Okay, guys. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Because there's really nothing gonna go on after I get back from Taco Bell. So I will see you guys tomorrow on the last day here. I don't think I'm gonna make a coming home vlog because I don't live that far from here. So yeah.